India's handicraft sector, artisans and weavers play a significant and important role in the country's economy. Today, India has an estimated 16 million craftspeople living mainly in rural India, who are actively involved in some of the most complex processes and crafts work that the world has ever seen. They constitute a highly skilled workforce with an entrepreneurial mindset, functioning as job creators and livelihood providers for many communities. Today, these unique crafts are businesses of their own and looking to enter the formal economy and MSMEs. As a homegrown company, Flipkart is constantly innovating to find new ways to use e-commerce to uplift and empower all sections of society, especially MSMEs. These small businesses have been the backbone of the Indian economy, going back centuries. With an intent to open up national market access for these underserved domestic communities and businesses, giving them access to a constantly growing pan-India customer base of more than 200 million, while empowering them to leverage the benefits of the e-commerce model, a year ago, Flipkart Samarth was launched. Flipkart Samarth worked closely with reputed NGOs and government bodies and livelihood missions to reach a large number of rural entrepreneurs, with a special focus on women-led enterprises, differently abled entrepreneurs, artisans and weavers, who often face obstacles such as lack of access to working capital, poor infrastructure and inadequate training. The program assessed the pain points and aspirations of these groups and addressed their problems and made it easier for them to list and sell online. Going several steps beyond just providing market access, Flipkart Samarth has been designed to support the e-commerce journey for artisans from onboarding until they reach familiarity with the process of selling online.
Through Flipkart, I can now provide employment to large number of artisans whose products through Flipkart will find marketplace. In turn, they will get livelihood.
Everybody gets a chance to be, to be showcased so that one can understand where one rises from. All of us need an opportunity. Some get it at an early stage, some get it at a later stage. But an opportunity is an opportunity.
Flipkart Samarth found an equal partner in the Government of India, who is continually working to provide growth opportunities for the underserved communities. At the launch event, Minister of State for Finance and Corporate Affairs, Shri Anurag Singh Thakur said,
I'm extremely delighted to be here today to launch the Flipkart Samarth initiative. I was so pleased to see the product. Also at the same time, the excitement in the eyes of your NGO partners. India is rapidly marching towards becoming a digitally empowered and profitable society. और आपने बहुत अच्छी यहाँ पर टैगलाइन दी है, आसान है बढ़ना। हालांकि बढ़ना आसान नहीं होता, फ्लिपकार्ट की अपनी स्टोरी देखिए तो बहुत चैलेंजेस थे, लेकिन आज जहाँ आप आकर खड़े हैं वो अपने आप दिखाता है कि आपसे सीखकर जो NGOs पार्टनर आपके साथ करेंगी उनके लिए आगे बढ़ना भी आसान होगा, क्योंकि उनका हाथ पकड़कर आगे बढ़ाने का काम आप लोग करेंगे। इसके लिए मैं आपको बहुत-बहुत बधाई देना चाहता हूं।
The initiative further saw forging partnerships with state entities from Jharkhand, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Orissa and Andhra Pradesh. Flipkart Samarth also signed an MOU with the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs to collaborate with state missions under the DAY-NULM to set up the Samarth program in 22 states in India, aimed at helping these communities set up their business on the Flipkart marketplace. Today, 1 year down the line, over 600,000 artisans and weavers across India are able to unlock the true potential of e-commerce, and Flipkart Samarth is honored to be a part of their growth journey, in turn making it truly open, democratic and empowering.